Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Sandbox Sand Daily Update. We are going to see the next targets, and before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto, the best trading system out there that has been ever made specifically and uniquely for the crypto market. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with Sand. So Sandbox, unfortunately right here, we are seeing the 200 moving average rejection. Daily frame, 200 moving average. Usually what altcoins are doing is they are pumping until this line right here and then they fall down. Now, what is next for Sandbox? Because eventually Sand is not bearish in the higher time frames. Could be bearish in the lower, but not bearish in the higher time frames. I'm going to draw the fib from the bottom to the top. We are going to see some very important support levels for Sandbox that if we hold them, then everything is good. Do not worry about that, just a healthy correction after this huge uptrend of around plus 46, followed by another plus 27, and followed by another plus 12%. Look at that right here, 0.70, 20, 0.62, 51. Into the daily frame, we are having a bearish side divergence coming in, and of course, someone would think that, okay, Bill, this is a bearish side, or is this, could be the case of a bullish pennant, right? Because eventually we are forming bullish pennants and patterns in every single risk metric. It is not always the case that we are finding them in the price action. We can find them as well in the RSI, stochastic RSI, commodity channel index, Williams R, and many other risk metrics. Right now for Sandbox, what you should be waiting for? You should be waiting a healthy correction towards the 0.7028. So if you bought around here or around there, it's better for you, it is suggested for you to sell some of your position and then rebuy a little bit lower. Now it could be the case that we go even lower to the 0.62. Bill, is this something that it is like, should we say, a correction that will bring us a lower low, lower high pattern? Of course not. Okay, this is not the case that we are going to see something with lower lows and lower highs that will lead us all the way down, for example, to 0.56 and below. But at the end of the day, what I'm thinking about Sandbox, it is that we are going to have a correction and then another pump towards the next targets, which could be the case that we go to the 0.95 and so on. Okay, so we can go even higher. At this time though, think that the risk is more than what you need to do. What I think about that is that when you have this high risk, you should not get in to positions, long positions. Okay, short positions are more likable than long. But because the bull cycle has started, for some altcoins, risk metrics might not matter at all. I'm just saying that so you know we have some risk into calling trades right now. This is why I am telling you right now that the market has started its bullish cycle and we can go either way very fast despite the fact having a huge correction. So you should be extremely careful at these days where risk does not really matter at all so much. But the most likely scenario for the time being for Sandbox, it is to go down to 0.728 and 0.6251. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.